So Chelsea 2, Arsenal 4. 420, you know. 420 for all you guys out there that do all of that. 420. And yeah, wow, another irrelevant win. That means ultimately nothing, but it will absolutely get every person up in the galaxy. Everyone's telling me I'm in the mud again. These people have been starving, by the way. Maybe Marcus Rashford could sign for the club and feed these people. I don't know, because I haven't seen these people since Palace, if I'm honest, nearly a month, nearly a whole month. And yeah, we've got 3 points out of 12. Oh my God, you're in the mud, Gunner. You're in the mud. You're in the mud. Really? It's amazing how these people come out with their chest as soon as we get 3 points after getting 0 out of 9. They go back to the start of the season and say, well, yeah, we didn't expect to be in this position after the first 3 games. Fast forward 30 games later, and it's chest out again. Chest out again. Yeah, they got more chest than Hooters. Trust me, it is actually mad. Big up to everybody who watched the watch along. Big up to all the people that came on the video call in. If you haven't checked that out, go and check it out. Yeah, 2 Arteta-ins. They were minors. They were under the age of legally being able to do anything. Came on. One got starstruck and bounced real quick. Needs to tidy his bedroom, bless him. And the other one tried to educate me on this football club and then bounced real quick as well. Just cut his camera off. Big up to them. At least they came on camera. But again, it's an irrelevant result. And I keep telling people this. I say every time I do a show, every time I go on other channels, irrelevant runs of form, irrelevant results that ultimately, I've had a few Cruz Campos, ultimately lead to nada are exactly that. They're irrelevant. Listen, take nothing away from the team tonight. We played really well tonight. El Neni was superb. Smith Rowe was superb. Saka was great as well tonight. And I thought we played pretty well. I really do. But, and there is a but, yeah. Oh, you're finding a negative. Oh, you're so negative. You're so negative. But I'm going to come and watch you anyway, you weirdos. Yeah. Oh, how does this guy get so much traction? Because people that don't like me watch me, as well as the people that do like me, which is quite a lot, by the way. But then now I add in all the people that don't like me that are coming to tell me I'm in the mud and I'm a clown, yeah, that are literally like clapped. Yeah, that's why. But yeah, I actually thought we played pretty well tonight. But having said that, that is the worst Chelsea defensive performance I've seen all season. Yeah, they were shocking defensively. Eddie Nketiah has now gone from pay as you go to, oh my God, I'm actually on a contract. Man's upgraded. Yeah, man's on that Vodafone settings. And the first goal that he scored, Christensen's going to have nightmares. The second goal, again, calamity. Sarr and Kante. Kante is finished, by the way. Can I just say that? Can I just put that out there? Chelsea fans, don't cry. Yeah, I love Kante. I think he's been absolutely superb, but he's done. The mileage on the clock, it's finished. Yeah, you missed Kovacic. I think your manager got it wrong taking Lukaku off, even though he weren't doing a great deal. He was actually bringing in Mason Mount into the game, Werner into the game, who, by the way, had Benjamin Shite on toast all night, by the way. And yeah, listen, big up to Arsenal tonight. Well done. You won the game. Fantastic. Yay, well done. So we got Super Mick Arteta. He knows exactly what we need. And we needed the first open play goal from any of our strikers away from home all season. Step up Eddie Nketiah. He scored twice. 2 open play goals away from home. They're the first 2 after 33 games. So what's that? Maybe half of that, 16 away games, whatever it may be, that we've scored from our strikers. The way at the end of the game, our manager was standing there clapping, yeah, and all the players were clapping. Yeah, listen, big up to them. They've gone and shown the away fans, yeah, the support and all of this and that. But it was almost like they were waiting for the trophy to be announced. Like, and they're going to put the ribbons on, yeah, with red and white, and they're going to set up the stage, and Arsenal have just won the league. It's embarrassing. Eddie Nketiah, real talk, yeah, real talk. My man scored his first goal of the season, puts his arm on the corner flag and cups his ear to the Chelsea fans. come on, real talk, yeah? The mentality, the culture, the structure, the non-negotiables. Listen, well done, great win. What does it mean in the grand scheme of things? Nothing. Nothing. How many points off top are we? Nothing. This just keeps this guy in a job for another month, another 3 months, another 6 months, until ultimately we get into the Champions League or Europa League. He then can't fight on all fronts, and then he gets sacked. So I don't really get why people are getting so hyped about it. Well done. Yeah, cool. Chelsea. Yeah. These people are getting so hyped about Chelsea reserves, which it was. Yeah. Sarr, Christensen, Alonso reserves. Midfield had what's his name in midfield? Who was the guy in midfield? Loftus-Cheek. Yeah. Like, come on. Yeah, you man are getting so gassed. Lukaku did nothing. Werner. Like, come on. Yeah, it's actually mad. Yeah, their bench was better than our first 11, and well done. They won the game, and cool. Give them their flowers. Do what you got to do. Yeah, for me personally, I've seen it, been there, done it, won the t-shirt, been home and away. Yeah, whatever. The fact and reality is, yeah, after 3 games where we've not even looked like scoring a goal and not even bothered to try, all of a sudden we raise our game because it's Chelsea. But then our fans say Tottenham are the rivals. Hello. I think we've proved tonight that we've raised our game for Chelsea because they're actually the rivals, yeah? Actually the rivals. Then you see at the end of the game, you see Azpilicueta snapping at a fan because the fan was saying, where was the fight? Where was the fight? This is a Chelsea fan that's older than me. He was in his 50s, the guy. Yeah, I think he was with his kids. Yeah, saying, Aspie, where was the fight? You're the captain. Where was the fight? Aspie snaps, goes up to him and starts giving it the verbals back. That is the standards, by the way. That is the standards. They've reached 6 cup finals out of the last 7. They're current Champions League holders. They're currently cruising top 4. And he's standing there saying, where was the fight tonight? You've lost to Arsenal. That is the standards. Not Granit Xhaka sitting there going, oh, well, I want to be friends with the fans. And, you know, I get a lot of abuse and, you know, I don't read social media anymore, but I want to be in love with the fans and I want to have the connection. Okay, so you don't read your socials anymore. So how are you going to get it on socials? You're not, are you? But then when you leave the ground after a game, you get straight in your 100-grand car and speed off up the road to your £1 million gaff. So if you really wanted to be the guy that connects with the fans, you wouldn't get in your car. After Arteta's done the whatever he's doing after the game, you're all high-fiving and this and that, win, lose or draw, whatever, you'd walk straight out the ground and you'd walk around the stadium and take selfies and talk to the fans and sign merch, sign the autographs, do this, and actually talk to fans and get the general consensus. But you don't. So it's another PR exercise. The fact and reality is this football club is dead and buried from what it was. Me and my friend, big up my boy in Sevilla, big up my boy Jolien. We said this would happen. Yeah. Lose 3 games, but all's forgiven if we beat Chelsea. And lo and behold, all of a sudden, all of these people have come out the woodwork after hiding for 3 weeks. I don't hide, by the way. I'm here every day. I upload every day. I stream every day. I don't hide. But all of a sudden, brush it under the carpet. It's all forgotten. So we didn't expect to be in this position, according to these people, after the first 3 games. But now I'm in the mud after we've lost 3 games in a row again, which, by the way, is the first manager to do that in Arsenal's history since 1983-84 season. Twice in a season, 3 straight losses. So yeah. So you didn't expect to be in this position after the first 3 games. Then we were in that position with 3 and out. We then lose 3 in a row. But now I'm in the mud because we're sat, what, 4th, 5th? I don't even know where we're sat. I don't care. I'm past giving a shit. Yeah, the fact and reality is this football club is fucked. Yeah, beyond belief. And we've got millions and millions of fans across the globe that all's forgotten now. They were Arteta out after 3 games. Oh, now the players are playing for him. Oh, look at the work rate. Yeah, we've conceded the same amount of goals as last season. We had Bellerin, Leno, Kolasinac, Rob Holding, who played tonight, Louise, Pablo Marie. But I'm in the mud because I expect better. Most of you lot support the club because we were better. And on that bombshell, people, all have a wonderful evening. Go and check out Kenny Ken's fan cam. Jez's will be out in a minute. Brandon and Matt are coming as well. And player ratings will be dropping later. It's currently 12:15 in España. And yeah, this is going to be long. I can't lie. But listen, all have a wonderful evening. I'll be back with rants tomorrow on his Twitch channel. I'll also... Oh, no, I'm not. I'm lying. It's Thursday tomorrow. I'm looking at Thursday. I'll be back with Brandon on his channel. So make sure you go and check that out. We're out of here. I'll tear her out. Raise the standards.